All right, another hot afternoon here in Southwest Florida. Breezy conditions creating a higher fire danger here throughout the area. Temperatures topping out in the upper 80s and lower 90s, and it looks like we have more of that on the way for tomorrow, but we are going to be seeing some better chances for rain here later in the week, which we desperately need. Temperature-wise, right now across Southwest Florida, Pagefield at 87, same thing for the Cape, 91 in Naples and Golden Gate, both the hot spots right now, 90 in Northport, 82 for Palmdale, Moorhaven, and Clewiston. Right now, the cool spots across the area. Those relative humidities have been dropping below 35%. That 35% threshold is what the National Weather Service uses to issue a red flag warning, and that was what was the case here throughout the afternoon across parts of our area from Lee County northward, indicating that very high fire danger. That combined with the gusty easterly winds. Fortunately, we didn't have any significant fires popping up here across the area. Otherwise, they probably would have gotten out of hand very quickly. Temperatures this evening across the area, 80s and then eventually 70s. Should be another comfortable evening under mostly clear skies. There are some high clouds streaming across the area right now, but overall it looks like tonight will be mostly clear, and we're expecting more sunshine in the forecast for tomorrow. But there is some moisture lurking just off to our south, and we do expect it to start creeping north of our area, or at least towards our area, by the time we head into Thursday. And part of the reason for that is we're going to be watching an area of low pressure that is going to try to develop off the Atlantic coast. Right now, I've got an area pointed at the general area that we expect this to happen. Right now, it looks like it's going to be somewhere over the Bahamas and then eventually developing towards the western Atlantic here by this weekend. In other words, it's going to be staying east of Florida. We do not anticipate it being a problem for us. But the Hurricane Center this morning with the 10 o'clock special tropical outlook highlighting the possibility in the next 5 days that we could see some subtropical development with an area of low pressure that's going to try to develop here by the end of the week into the weekend. It just kind of gives you an idea of the fact that we're getting very close to the start of hurricane season, and it's not unusual for us to see subtropical storms or even tropical storms that develop even outside the season in the month of May. So we'll keep an eye on this right now, but it does not look like it's going to be a problem for us. Again, low pressure is going to develop offshore by this weekend. Winds are going to be a little gusty here out of the east here for the end of the week with a few showers possible. It looks like the chance for rain, though, will be increasing due in part to that system, mostly over on the East Coast. Significant impacts are not expected here for our area, regardless of how it develops. So here's like a predictor. You can see the moisture increasing across our area through the end of the week. I think the best chance for rain will likely be on Friday. As a result, temperatures will be a little bit cooler, but with an easterly flow and with the Gulf Sea breeze interacting with it, we'll have chances for afternoon showers and storms likely through the upcoming weekend. Temperatures in the mid-60s tonight, similar to last night with a breezy easterly wind 10 to 15 under mostly clear skies. Tomorrow's forecast, sunny, 91 degrees, east wind 10 to 20, so very similar to what we had today. Small craft need to continue to exercise caution on the waters tomorrow. Seas will be running about 2 to 3 feet with an east wind 15 to 25 knots. And inland waters will be a little choppy here throughout the day. 7-day forecast, chances for rain going up later in the week. Looks like it'll be mainly skewed during the afternoon and evening hours with the Gulf Sea breeze coming into play there. Friday, the best chance for rain, and then tapering rain chances later in the weekend into Monday of next week.